Okay, Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. For our week 6 lecture, after long mid-semester break, I just want to clear out with you a couple of things. The first one is our new academic calendar. So please be alert, this is our new calendar for bachelor degree A192. We have long mid-semester break because of this COVID-19 pandemic. And then our first lecture start 3rd June until 2 August. And then we have, I think this is holiday, 1 day for Idul Adha holiday. And then after that, 3 August until 9 August is for revision week. And for final exam, 10 August until 23rd August. And then we have only short semester break this semester because you already took long mid-semester break, and then after that, after mid-semester, we continue with our new semester, A201. Okay, next document, if you notice, I uploaded a new performa in my guru. So the difference between the old one and the new one is only start from week 6. So this is our week 6. This one, week 6, under guided. This one, guided learning face-to-face. Lecture, L is for lecture column. If you notice, start from week 6, there is no more face-to-face lecture. Okay. All face-to-face lecture will be replaced to guided learning non-face-to-face. Okay, guided learning means I upload something such as guideline, lecture note, or any kind of tutorials, video, books in the My Guru, and then you need to explore yourself and learn by yourself. But in the same time, I will guide you which topic you need to learn and which tutorial you need to do. That's a guided learning. Independent learning means you learn by yourself. Okay, based on the material, you learn by yourself and you explore it. Okay. What we do right now, previously in mid, this is the recorded session. Okay. Before this, at 3 p.m. yesterday, I conduct face-to-face synchronous session using Meet. Okay. So face-to-face synchronous session means we have live lecture, but I'm not state the live lecture synchronous session in your performa. Why? Because I'm not going to give a live lecture during our face-to-face web conference, but for this session, I plan if we have extra times, maybe once in 2 weeks or once in 3 weeks, we have a live session like yesterday, and then we can start discuss what is the problem with your courseware. Let's say if you have any problem to develop mobile apps, or you have any problem in develop games and so on, we can discuss it live with each other. And also, if you have any question, you can ask me directly, or if you don't have any medium or high speed internet connections to follow me during the live webs conference, it's okay. You can still use WhatsApp and WhatsApp me personally. Okay, but for the live sessions, for the synchronous session like yesterday, most probably I'm going to make it every Monday or Tuesday based on our lecture. So because I have a Monday class for group A and I have a Tuesday class for group B. Let's say for the group C, you want to follow my lecture, it's okay, I will provide the link for you too. You may join the face-to-face synchronous sessions, but all your mark will be given by Associate Professor Dr. Hasbiah. Okay, for our continuous assessment, we don't have final final exam, but continuous assessment still what we call it, no changes. Okay, there is no changes for continuous assessment. But for face-to-face, I already changed it into non-face-to-face. So we don't have face-to-face quiz, but we will have online assessment using my guru, and also midterm. Like I said before, midterm will be held after week 9. And this is tugasan berkumpulan assignment 1, assignment group 1 for the proposals. You need to submit it for group B 16 June and for group A 15 June. Okay, I give you 2 weeks to complete it. So please make sure to contact all your members and allocate your work accordingly. Make sure all your team members do their work. Okay, if not, you can report it to me. Okay, the last one. This is the learning evaluation report. So all of you, because of this course doesn't have final exam, but you still need to complete the learning evaluation report. I'm not sure either Academic Development Center will come out with a new form for learning evaluation report, but this is the view of the form that you need to complete it before you enter for final exam. So after you submit it, the system will give you slip exam, and then you can bring the slip exam to enter the examination hall. So for this semester, there is no normal exam like last year. So how you guys are going to conduct it, I still don't have an idea. You need to contact your lecturer for that subject and ask them about the final exam. Okay, one of the students asked me, is it possible to change the methodology, and some of the member is in different state. So I give you 2 weeks to change and to correct your models. So please choose wisely the best model to integrate ID and also the software process model in this current situation. Okay. For final, sorry, it's not final. For assignment, we have 3 assignments. I think the first one is the proposal, and then courseware, the complete courseware, and the third one is the presentations, the complete the presentation for the complete software. Okay, for the second one is the courseware. Someone asked me, what if we can't develop the complete software? So it will, the answer is it will affect your marks for second assignment. Okay. And the third one, how are you going to make a presentation for a group presentation? So you can do the presentation by recording a video. Let's say you have 5 persons. All of the team members should be present, and then take your own video and combine it and make it in one complete video. So that's for the presentations. If you have any problems, you can use my guru to send me the questions, or you can send WhatsApp to me. That's all for now. Till we meet again. See you next week. Assalamualaikum.